Namaskaram, good morning, and welcome to the inaugural session of the Faculty Development Program titled Towards a Digital Era of Teaching and Learning, organized by the IQAC of KSM College, Shastangota, in collaboration with UGC HRDC, University of Kerala. The first of its kind organized by a college in collaboration with UGC HRDC. The technical platform of IQAC, Virtuosa, is behind this venture, which aims to enrich the digital chapter in teaching learning process as necessitated by the recent COVID 19 constraints, so that no challenge may hinder teaching learning process, no matter what. Let us start this inaugural session with a prayer. ചന്തമേറിയ പൂവിലും ശബളാഭമാം ശലഭത്തിലും സന്തതം കരതാരിയെന്നൊരു ചിത്രചാതുരി കാട്ടിയും ഹന്തചാരു കടാക്ഷമാലകൾ അർക്കരശ്മിയിൽ നീട്ടിയും ചിന്തയാമണിമന്ദിരത്തിൽ വിളങ്ങുമീശനെ വാഴ്ത്തുവിൻ ഈശനെ വാഴ്ത്തുവിൻ. I invite Dr. V. Jayashree, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, and the convener of IQAC, to welcome the distinguished guests to this inaugural function of the Faculty Development Program.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Principal Dr. K. Sanil Kumar, our guest of honor Professor Dr. S. V. Sudhir, Director UGC HRDC University of Kerala, Dr. K. M. Anil Kumar, MSM College Kayangulam, Dr. S. B. Rakesh Chandran, SD College Alappi, and Dr. K. S. Sajan, NSS Training College Ottapalam, distinguished delegates from different parts of our country, dear colleagues. On this momentous day, it's my privilege to welcome all of you on behalf of KSMDB College Shastangota to this inaugural function. Our principal, Anil Kumar sir, is the driving force behind all such academic endeavor in our college. His constant support and untiring enthusiasm is always an inspiration behind all such academic activities in our college. On behalf of the entire staff of the college, I welcome you, sir, to this function. When we approached Sudhir sir, the director UGC HRDC of University of Kerala, for conducting such a program, he had given all his support and valuable suggestions for the proper conduct of this program. He's always seemed to be a well-wisher of the teaching faculty of our country. With immense pleasure and gratitude, I welcome sir to this program. During the initial stages of discussion of this program, we are little bit, we have some doubts about the mode of presentation of this program. It was Anil and Rakesh suggest us to follow the asynchronous mode of presentation of this program, and they offer all support for us also. With the immense pleasure, I welcome Dr. Rakesh, Dr. Anil, and Dr. Sajan, our distinguished resource persons to this program. Delegates are always the success of any program. We are actually astonished by the response of participants from different parts of our country. Since the seats are limited, we are not able to accommodate many of them. So we are planning to conduct a second session of this program in the near future. With immense pleasure, and on behalf of the entire staff of KSMDB College Shastangota, I welcome all our delegates to this program. Last, not but the least, I welcome all my colleagues and especially the team members of Virtuosa, whose untiring work helped us to realize this program within such a short span of time. Once again, I welcome all of you to this program. Thank you.
The session is presided over by our principal, Dr. K.S. Anil Kumar, the captain of our ship, whose technical excellence guides the faculty through this age of technological challenges. Sir, may I invite you to address us?
Good morning to all. Today we have the inaugural ceremony of the 1 week FDP program organized jointly by KSMDB College Shastangota and UGC HRDC University of Kerala. The distinguished guest present in this function, Dr. S.V. Sudhir sir, the Director, Academic Staff College, HRDC University of Kerala, Dr. Jayashree, the Coordinator, IQAC, KSMDB College, Dr. Radhika, Dr. Miniar Nair, and other guests, dear participants, dear friends. Today the first day of the 1 week FDP program. See, as you know that all institutions are conducting the teaching learning process through online mode. A special scenario, a special situation we are facing due to the outbreak COVID-19 pandemic situations. Under this special situation, we are planning to conduct the teaching learning process, or we are conducting the teaching learning process through online mode. KSMDB College take the initiative for organizing 1 week training program exclusively for teaching community or how to perform in teaching learning process through the online platform. The program titled Towards a Digital Era of Teaching Learning, scheduled from 12th to 18th of this month. The topic covers different aspects of the online teaching methods and introducing new era of technologies. See, different platforms we are using with the help of IT, Google Classroom, Zoom, Cisco WebEx, and LMS also there, Moodle. So in this academic session, we introduced all these digital learning techniques, how to prepare the e-content with the help of the IT systems or ICT systems, the e-content development, then the e-learning skills, how to develop the e-learning skills, and particularly train to expertise in Moodle platform. So the training is very helpful for you people to disseminate the knowledge, teaching learning process. And the KSMDB College is one of the government aided college affiliated to the University of Kerala. We have started in 1964, 15 UG programs, 6 PG programs and 2 research programs affiliated to the University of Kerala. And we have recently introduced one postgraduate diploma in GST in collaboration with the Gulati Institute of Finance and Taxation, Trivandrum. We have our own credibility. Our institution recognized by NAC and reaccredited with A grade. And we have a lot of other major projects in its credit. KSCST SAT project in 2017, DST FIST project in 2018, and recently we got the DBT star. And these are the projects which helps the augmentation of the research and development in the college, and teaching learning system is now improving day by day by using more sophisticated tools and techniques. You have to adopt with these techniques and you have to express this in future academics also. So on behalf of KSMDB College, I wish you all the success and have a pleasant day. Please stay on with us and experience the higher learning platforms. Thank you. Thank you.
We have an eminent academician here with us today to inaugurate this faculty development program. Dr. S.V. Sudhir, Director, UGC HRDC, University of Kerala. Sir, may I invite you to speak to us and also to inaugurate this program.
Good morning to all of you. Greetings from Human Resource Development Center, University of Kerala, Trivandrum. As you are present here to attend this program conducted by KSMDB College Shasangota, on a class or program on digital learning, and this is conducted from 12th to 18th August. We are very happy to collaborate with this program because of two things. One is the relevance of this topic, and second one, it reaches the teachers, and in the future time ahead we will be, or we should be able to transact with our learners through the digital platform. So learning about the digital platforms, content management, learning management systems, and all those things connected with digital learning will be of great importance to the teachers. I don't say that in future 100% teaching will be through digital platforms, but maybe even if we come back to our system of physical teaching learning process, there are also the blended system of adding digital platforms and digital use are of very much importance in future. So all the things relating to this will be transacted, I hope, in this FTP program conducted by this college. So it should be beneficial, and because of that we are also very much interested in joining with this college for this. And the certificates we issue may be of benefit to you, we hope so. And we appreciate the principal, the IQAC members, the staff of the college, and the participants also for joining in this to make this a successful endeavor. And I declare this event open with your permission. Best wishes. Thank you all.
I would now like to invite Dr. Radhika Nath Ji of the Department of Chemistry to propose the vote of thanks.
Hello all. We have come to the end of official inauguration ceremony of FDP program towards a digital era in teaching and learning, organized jointly by Kumbalat Shangupilla Memorial Devasam Board College and UGC HRDC of University of Kerala. Let me express our sincere thanks to the college principal, Dr. K.S. Anil Kumar, who chaired this session and who is actually the master brain behind all our activities. Thank you so much, sir, for your guidance and motivation. Dr. S.V. Sudhir, Director of UGC HRDC of University of Kerala, is very familiar to all college teachers in and around Kerala and provides strength and support to the teaching community in academic and administrative matters. Being a member of NACP team, he stands as a guide for all institutions to clear their doubts, and the whole college is certainly indebted to the reputed organization UGC HRDC University of Kerala for joining hands with us in organizing such an academically beneficial event. On behalf of all those who gathered here, I extend a hearty thanks to Dr. Sudhir sir for formally inaugurating the session. We have with us three eminent resource persons, Dr. Rakesh Chandran, SV, Assistant Professor of SG College, Alappuzha, Dr. Anil Kumar, KM, of Assistant Professor of MSM College, Alappuzha, and Dr. K.S. Sarjan, Assistant Professor of NSS Training College, Ottapalam. The Virtuosa team extends our sincere thanks for being with us and also for agreeing to handle the sessions. Dr. V. Jayasri, Associate Professor and IQAC Coordinator of our college, is the leading member of the team, and for the sake of formality, I express our sincere thanks for her welcome speech and also for her coordination. And thanks are also due to Dr. Mini Anaya for her handling the comparing duty in a very wonderful way. And there is representation from more than 15 states of our country to this FDP program, and I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of the participants from various colleges and universities from all over the country who have come to participate. And I thank all students, faculty members and non-teaching staff of KSMDB College for making this event happen. And lastly, we, the college management, principal, staff and students of KSMDB College expresses our sincere gratitude to all the well-wishers and wish you all a very wonderful and useful time with us for the upcoming 7 days. Thank you all.